show y'all how a real man cut grass. Now hold on, Granddaddy. This one got power. Ain't nothing wrong with a little elbow grease.
Granddaddy Otis said he finna home with his lawnmower.
Big Ron, hand me that pull string. You just press this button right here. Man, that's y'all problem now. Select.
He trying to start it like it's a gas stove.
Just needs a little finesse.
Round one. Otis versus Mower 3000.
There you go. Easy. Step aside, Ricky. Hey, wait now. Otis, let's go.
Granddaddy Otis doing the electric slide for real.
Ain't nothing. Just testing the torque. You testing your life insurance.